In this class, when we include categorical variables in our regression models, we'll generally use indicator coding, which means that we're going to represent the categories with either a 0 or a 1. So I'm going to redefine my location variable in terms of 0 and 1. So I'm going to let 0 be like my baseline group. So this is going to be houses that are not on the lakefront. And then I'm going to let 1 be my other group. So this is the houses that are on the lakefront. And to do this in JUMP, we're going to start off with Analyze Fit Model. So this is what we use anytime we have more than one explanatory variable. So I'm going to put my response variable price in the Y, and then I have both my explanatory variables, the square footage and the location, and I will run that. And then the default is to use effect coding. So if you just look down here at the parameter estimates table, this is using effect coding, but we can change that. So I'm going to go here to the little red arrow next to response, and I'm going to go down to estimates, gives me several options, and I'm going to choose indicator parameterization estimates. And when I do that, I'll get an extra table down here. So these are new coefficients that are based on indicator coding. Notice that it doesn't give us a new summary of fit because we're not actually changing the model. We're expressing it in a new way, but the model itself is still the same. So we still have the same percentage of variability explained, the same size of our residuals, all of that, but we're just going to have different slope and intercept values to interpret. And let's go ahead and write out our new prediction equation. So y hat, that's the predicted price, is going to be the intercept, negative 70,182, plus the slope for the size, so that's 148 times x1. x1 is my size variable, plus 331,223 times x2, that's my location variable, which is now defined as 0 if the house is not on the lakefront, 1 if the house is on the lakefront. And I want you to think about how to use these values yourself, how to come up with a prediction equation for each group, and how to interpret those coefficients. So you'll do that in the Google form, and then the feedback will tell you how to fill in this page of your notes.